Governor. How are you?
How's Charlotte treating you?
Pretty good. How are you? How's it about to treat you? You happy to be here?
Hopefully good. No, I'm happy to be here. A lot of friends here.
Did you like the president's speech last night?
Great. Really great.
You going to be speaking tonight on stage?